Wasn't it so annoying when you're trying to fit a TV in that weird corner and every stand is literally the wrong vibe? Like I was playing furniture Tetris and losing hard. Easel-style, but make it chic. This baby holds screens up to 65 inches and literally looks like art holding your art. It's giving minimalist vibes with that white wooden tripod situation. And you can spin it 360 degrees, because why shouldn't your TV do pirouettes? Perfect for those tiny apartments where every inch counts. Plus, it comes with a safety rope so your expensive screen doesn't become expensive floor decoration. The FITUEYES corner stand is serving premium round design with cleaner, sleeker legs. This one's for my girls who want that marble textured glass base because we're fancy like that. It's got hidden wire management that'll make your OCD heart sing, and the height adjusts so whether you're 5'2" or your tall friend is visiting, everyone's getting optimal viewing angles. The magnetic backplate, chef's kiss. The NearHub mobile cart is literally super easy to move. Just grab and go. Picture this. Movie night on the patio, then boom, wheel it inside for your Sunday Netflix binge. Those 360-degree wheels with locks mean you're not chasing your TV across the room. And it holds up to 88 pounds, so even your massive smart TV is covered. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.